Hi, I'm Scott Davis, the Community Education Coordinator for Durango Fire. Daylight Savings Time is coming up on November 3rd and 4th, and that should be a mental trigger for all of us to take the time to check our smoke alarms and our carbon monoxide detectors. Make sure we've got fresh batteries in them, make sure they've been cleaned up a little bit, and to test them and make sure that they're working. And hopefully this video will give you some fun facts about how to make that happen.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Keith. I'm with the Durango Fire Department, and as a fire inspector, I'm going to show you how to take down your smoke alarm, to check the battery, and to clean it. Most of these you just have to do a counterclockwise turn, 90 degrees. After we've taken it down off the ceiling, you're going to want to check the battery. You pull it out, pull the lever here, take it out. Once you take the battery out, you want to flip it over and clean the vents. They can get filled with dust or spider webs, dead bugs. You can use compressed air to blow those out and clean them out, or just use your breath. Once that's done, you want to replace it with a new battery. Take that in, you want to make sure this tab goes down with the battery. Once you get the battery back in, close that up, take it back up the ladder and reconnect it to the house's main power.
Push test button.
All of the smoke alarms in this house are interconnected, so when one goes off, the others will go off as well. So you want to test it. This one also has voice commands, so I don't know if you heard in the background, the back smoke alarm in one of the bedrooms said fire, fire. So there also are those available.
This house is using ceiling-mounted carbon monoxide and smoke alarms. They're combination units, and that works fine. Even though carbon monoxide is just a little bit heavier than air, we see carbon monoxide issues typically during heating season, from wood-burning stoves, from gas or propane heater systems, from pellet stoves, and that heat is going to go ahead and push carbon monoxide up into the ceiling, and it's going to set off this detector. Carbon monoxide detectors that are installed near the floor also work just fine.
Yeah, for smoke alarms over here we have several different choices. I'm going to have both hardwired options and battery options. The battery options are going to be using a 9-volt battery. They have two different options. They're going to come with an annual battery that you will check every 6 months. Daylight savings time is a great time to check. Otherwise, you will have 10-year batteries that will be built into the smoke alarms. The carbon monoxide detectors are going to come in a lot of different varieties. You are going to have your battery operated, your plug-in, and your plug-in with battery backup. The last option that we would have would be the dual, like I mentioned before, the smoke alarm, which is a hardwired smoke alarm carbon monoxide all-in-one. Or I have the battery, lithium battery powered all-in-one, also by First Alert. That would be the smoke alarm and carbon monoxide built into one unit.
Lastly, Durango Fire recommends that if you have children living at home, go ahead and do a fire drill once a month. Set off the smoke alarms, have everyone in your house get low, go to that primary exit, go out the exit, and go to your safe meeting place. If you have any questions about smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, fire drills, evacuation drills, please give us a call, 382-6000. You can also find a lot of information on our website at durangofire.org, and please follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Durango Fire. Thanks for watching.